Hi there, here we are in Viskon 16, and today let's talk about our feature named hooked scarf joint. Let's see how you can use it and in which case is it useful. As you can see, I have here 3 pairs of 15 by 15 beams. And they are split in half. In this case, we can use the hooked scarf joint, and by clicking on it, you can select 2 pieces facing towards each other, and by clicking the 2 ends, you can immediately create this hooked joint. In this window you can set the depth of our hook part. You can set the lap length. You can set the number of drill holes. The drill diameter, and you can set the side where you place this joint. And again, it doesn't matter if your pieces are touching or they are apart. Let's move it a little bit. Let's say by 50 centimeters. There's a gap, as you can see, but you can still use the hooked scarf joint. The command extends one of your pieces and the joint will be created as well. And again, you can put drill holes in it, bigger or smaller holes as you wish. And the hook joint is created. I create another one now on the side of it, maybe with a little bit bigger hook with 2 drilled holes. And this is the hooked scarf joint. That's how you can use it in Viskon 16.